This is the Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Paint 101 beginner level workshop. Maybe you've dabbled in it a little bit, but you've never had like a full-blown Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Paint experience. I am Jennifer Baker. My business is 800 Furniture. I am a certified Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Paint retailer, and so it's my pleasure to teach all of you all about this product because I'm pretty much obsessed with it. So you get to pick 3 beautiful Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Paint colors to paint with. Start flipping through your lookbook. I also have these sample boards here, and you can see what the colors look like once they're actually like painted out on something. If you're looking for an off-white or a bright white or a smoky gray or what have you, all of the colors in the line are here. The key to a good mix of Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Paint is patience and lots of stirring. For your darker colors like typewriter, flow blue, the navy, the darker the color, kind of the thicker they'll mix. You have some photo frames. We're gonna simulate how to paint milk paint and get a chippy look, and how to paint milk paint on and have it not chip off and be like super smooth and full coverage. If you put it on and it's like, oh, this is like painting with skim milk, just add more powder, stir it back up, go over what you did, and it'll all blend together. You really can't mess it up. So it's super versatile in that way because you have so much control over how it turns out. There's 2 families of finishes in the milk paint collection. There's waxes and then there's liquid finishes. So hemp oil is one of the liquid finishes. Your milk paint will instantly get richer and deeper. Those round patches of paint coming off, this is chipping. But when you run your sandpaper along a piece and the paint comes off in a nice straight line, that's distressing. This is the aspect of milk paint that makes it authentically old. This is what modern paint just doesn't do. We have a clear furniture wax. We have a dark antiquing wax. And then on the opposite side of the spectrum, there's white wax. And this looks like marshmallow fluff. So it's furniture wax, but it's been tinted white. So if you have a brush, you have all these bristles to like get in there and work it in and smush it in. So we live in an in-law suite on the back of my parents' house because we're saving for a house. Okay. So our little in-law suite is like 800 square feet, which is where my name came from, 800 Furniture. It's because I paint out of 800 square feet. No matter how big this gets, I want to remember where I started. This is a paint product, you have to try it first. Like you just have to like get into it. You came. So please do. I would love to have you back.